I have a tag that I have to record for a client right now, so I figured let's do a real-world test of the Amek 9099 and cut through it live, right here.
You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov. No excuses, no BS, no pants.
All right, so this is a 7-second tag. And we're going to cut it through the Amek 9099 live, zero latency, using the Soyuz 017 FET. Check this out. I noticed this the other day. You can resize the GUI. That's pretty neat. Look at that. All right, we'll leave it at 50 so you can watch it if you are so inclined. So that'll be right there. Now we need, let's see, hold on. Let's get a twist a wave window so we're cutting into something, right? Here we go. 7 seconds. Come see what's new on camera. All right. That's going to be a tight one. Here we go. Come see what's new at Canterbury Farms Nursery and Garden Center. From one plant to a whole yard full, Canterbury Farms has got you covered. All right, was that 7? That felt pretty good. In the pocket, man, look at that. That's nice because there's a little bit, it's not quite 7, it's not wall to wall. So that gives it a little bit of time to breathe in case it is actually a bumper and not a tag. Meaning like if it's like one of those little tiny short spots that comes in between commercials, or between the last commercial and when the TV show, when the news comes back on. So, all right. If it's a tag, it's at the end of the spot, right? So it may need to have a little bit more energy. If it's a bumper, it needs to grab your attention. So they're about the same intensity. All right, we're going to do 2 more. Actually, let's do 3 more. We're going to roll 3 on it. All right, here we go. Come see what's new at Canterbury Farms Nursery and Garden Center. From one plant to a whole yard full, Canterbury Farms has got you covered. Come see what's new at Canterbury Farms. Come see what's new at Canterbury Farms Nursery and Garden Center. From one plant to a whole yard full, Canterbury Farms has got you covered. That felt like it was too long. There's this little break here. That is definitely 16. Actually, look at that. 16, just under 23 with that break there. That's not bad. This one. Yeah, okay. All right, so they're good. The timing's good. One more. Actually, you know what? This is what we're going to do. We are going to do a really short one, just in case this is a bumper. Is that a little silence here? In case this is a bumper and they need to fit this in a 7-second window. So it should be like a really tight 6.5 or just under. Come see what's new at Canterbury Farms Nursery and Garden Center. From one plant to a whole yard full, Canterbury Farms has got you covered. All right, let's see. 25 to right about 31 and change. All right, we like it. So there you go. Tag is going to the client. So did the Amek 9099 work for this gig? Let me know what you think. All right? Leave a comment. All right, until next time. This is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.